All right, for those of you who need to hear it again and walk through it more slowly, these are the same problems we had just done together in the Google Meet. But let me show you again. You need to find the denominator for the whole number. The denominator for a whole number is always going to be over 1. So right away, let's just go add 1 to these 3 so we don't forget. Now, when we multiply fractions, you multiply the numerator times the numerator, denominator times the denominator. So 8 times 1 equals 8, over 1 times 3 equals 3. 8 thirds. 8 thirds, I can change to, how many holes can I pull out before I go over 8? 3, 6, 2 holes. And then subtract 6 and 2 thirds. That is simplified. Let's go to B. 12 times 1, 12. 1 times 2, 2. 12 halves. We can either divide, simply 2 goes into 12 and it goes in there evenly 6 times, or if we want to draw a picture and just draw a bunch, you don't know exactly how many you're going to need, but now we need 12 of them. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many holes is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Just pause this and try this one on your own. All right, hopefully you've tried it. 14 times 1 is 14. 1 times 4 is 4. If I draw holes, what is the denominator? What am I going to cut them into? 4 pieces. How many pieces? 14. I'm just going to draw a couple more just in case. 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Do you see how many holes I have? Looks like 1, 2, 3 and a half. 3 and 1. Oh, actually it was 3 and 2/4, but I know I can reduce it down to 3 and a half. If you still need some practice, let's first of all go and put the whole numbers into fractions. So that's going to be over 1, over 1, over 1. Now I simply multiply numerators. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. That is reduced. I don't need to go any further. The numerator is smaller than the denominator, and there's not a number that goes into evenly besides 1. Same thing, 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. I can pull out a whole. How many times does 5 go into 6 without going over? Once. Take away 5 pieces equals 1, and the denominator stays the same. That is reduced. Next one, 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 5 is 5. How many times can 5 go into 8 without going over? Once. Take away 5 pieces, 3/5. Let me draw this one out. So if I have them cut into fifths, let's just do 3. And we have 8 pieces, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, that didn't work. Hold tight, please. We have 8 pieces, so 6, 7, 8, my bad. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 whole, 3 pieces out of 5. I didn't need this one. It's always good to make extra though. Last time to practice before you go off on your own and do exercise 9. Let's make these fractions. 1 times 6 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. Reduce down. 5 goes into 6 one time. Take away 5 pieces. 1 1/5. 4 times 10, 40. 5 times 1, 5. I know 5 goes into 40 evenly because it ends in a 0. Goes in there 8 times. Last one, 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 goes into 8 2 times. Take away 6 pieces because 3 times 2 is 6. And we get 2/3. All right, now your homework is exercise 9. Good luck.